See, to be honest, when anyone start their YouTube channel, it's about how much income that they generate from that YouTube channel. It's not about how much views they are getting, how much subscriber they are getting, right? Because just like any other business, YouTube is also a business. But if you see advice on YouTube, they tell you how to get more views for your videos, how to get more subscribers, all those things, which in some cases is completely irrelevant because there are plenty of YouTubers, even with millions of views and subscribers, are broke.
I'm broke right now. And being a quote unquote YouTuber, obviously when people see that you have millions of followers, they assume that you're a millionaire. But in reality, only few people with 1 million followers actually have that kind of money.
But on the other hand, there are a handful of YouTubers, even with small micro YouTube channels with less subscribers and less average views per video, are literally making crores together from their YouTube itself. So myself being one of them, because I have my micro YouTube channel, which is called EcomGan, and I have just over 50,000 subscribers. And this is my last 7 days sales for my digital product, which is again just from my coaching program itself, apart from my agency services and software tools. Which is why in this video, let me explain you the exact system to make crores together with small micro YouTube channel. See, there is this quote from Warren Buffett. It goes something like this: it's not about how fast you row, it's about which boat you are in. So if you already know, there are 3 types of product, right? 3 types of digital product when it comes to the pricing, the selling price of it, which is low ticket, mid ticket and high ticket digital product. When you have just started your YouTube channel and you have very less subscribers or else no subscribers itself and getting very less for your video, so the best thing that you can do with your YouTube channel is start a high ticket digital product. And what I mean by that is high ticket digital product which involves your time as well, which might be a one-on-one coaching program where you personally sit together with your client and help them to get the results. So of course there are mid ticket and low ticket digital product, and some YouTubers tell that mid ticket digital products or low ticket digital product is good, where you can just create a course and do a playlist and just sell your course through your YouTube channel. So I personally don't like it because first of all, again, it's a low ticket digital product. You have to make tons of sales, which is near to impossible when you are just starting with your YouTube channel, right? And one more thing is your students also will not get better results because just from my course itself, I don't think anyone can get that expected result. When you are working closely with your students or else clients, you can control the results, what they are getting basically, which is why the first system that you have to follow to make a life-changing money from your YouTube, that is go with high-ticket digital product, which might be one-on-one coaching program or else some agency services. Of course, agency services, you need a team for it, but one-on-one coaching is where you personally give your time for your student or else clients, which might be through one-on-one Zoom meetings, weekly Zoom meeting can be done, or else twice a week. It depends upon your niche itself. And when it comes to high-ticket digital product, it is a product where it is sold more than $1,000. Let's say you have a product, digital product, which is selling more than $1,000. We can consider those digital product as high-ticket digital product, right? So let's say when you are selling a digital product which costs $2,000, so you just need 5 clients, right? You just need 5 clients per month to make a life-changing money, which will be anywhere around $10,000 per month. And one more best thing about this is the funnel will be very, very simple. You don't have to put more effort into marketing, which might be in your content or else landing page. So because high-ticket client, again, basically you will be present in the Zoom meeting to convert them. And like I said earlier, in a month, you just need 5 people to take your digital product, which is very compared. Let's say you are going with a low-ticket digital product, which is selling anywhere around $100 or else $200. You need many signups to make a life-changing money out of it, which is again very hard and time-consuming as well. And literally you have to be slave for the algorithm, YouTube's algorithm. You have to work on your thumbnail, title, scripting, editing, which is very hard, especially when you are getting started. So which is why the first system involves start with a high-ticket digital product, which will be again one-on-one coaching, and also getting started also is very quickly, because if you are going with low-ticket or else mid-ticket digital product, which will be again a course, right? So you have to do plenty of shoots. It requires at least 2 to 3 weeks to make a proper digital product, which will be course, which is again playlist of videos. But when it comes to the high ticket digital product, where you will be literally present, where you are literally giving one-on-one Zoom sessions, mentorship and all. So basically in a Zoom meeting, you just have to write the bullet points and you have to teach personally with your clients. Thus your clients and students also gets best results, so that you can make a case study out of it and show the results on your YouTube channel itself to build credibility. And by the way, if you want to work with me so that me and my team can help you to grow your YouTube channel so that you can build a strong personal brand, you can check out the link which is in the description below. See, one of the biggest reason most of the YouTubers fail to make any money from their YouTube channel, even with having their high ticket digital product, which will be very good actually. They will be putting a lot of effort into building their digital product. They have good experience, but still they fail to make any money because they don't have proper connection. See, there is one part where you create content, right? That should align with the other part, which will be your digital product. Now, if both parts, which is content and digital product, solves the same problem, that is what we call a proper alignment. That should be there on YouTube channel. I have seen many YouTubers have analyzed their contents, their digital product and all, and many people are lacking with this. And that is the main reason they are not making any sales for their digital product. So I will explain you with an example itself. See, if you see my YouTube channel, my other YouTube channel, right, which is EcomGan. So there I have a digital product on Amazon FBA, right? I have a software tool, my own software tool is there. Again, it is for Amazon FBA sellers. I have a one-on-one coaching program. It is for also Amazon FBA sellers who want to do it, and my agency services. So every single digital product on that YouTube channel is for Amazon FBA sellers. So which is why if you see my content itself, everything will be related to e-commerce or Amazon FBA, or for those entrepreneurs who want to start their own one-person business, right? So apart from that, I don't put any contents. So let's say if I put a content, something like how to make X amount of money using AI. Of course, I can get hundreds of thousands of views by that content, right? Because it's a trending content. Obviously, everyone are interested in AI, so it will be pushed to a broad audience. I can get many views, but it has nothing to do with my digital product. So this is what most people do, especially when they're getting started. In order to get views, they make content which has nothing to do with their digital product, because of which they gain bunch of views and bunch of subscribers also, who literally have no interest in buying their digital product. So the proper connection is not there. So in that case, what I have to do is basically I have to make a content, let's say how I can find good product to sell on Amazon using AI, something like that, which aligns with the trend and my digital product itself. So that is how I have to create a content. And I have seen many people also, especially entrepreneur field, like how to make money online field, they do content on dopamine, or else a day in the life of a millionaire, something like that. Again, same thing happens. They fail to make any sales for their digital product. Instead of that, what they have to do is, suppose dopamine or else productivity is very, very much trending on YouTube. They have to align that particular topic for their niche itself. Suppose in my example, I can do a content like day in the life of Amazon FBA seller, something like that. So a proper connection should be there, which is what you have to follow from the beginning itself. So whichever trending topic you find and you feel like doing content on it, you have to somehow align that with your digital product, so that your content as well as your digital product solves a same problem. So the second system is connection between content and your digital product. See, every single business consists of two major parts. One is product itself, and the second one is funnel for the product. See, the both parts are very important. Either of the one part is not properly done, the whole business itself collapses. So like I said earlier, the first system, I told that you guys have to select a high ticket digital product when you are getting started with your YouTube journey. Now, when you are selecting a high ticket digital product, the funnel for that particular high ticket digital product, it should basically align with that product, right? So which is why, let me explain you the third system, which is funnel for high ticket digital product. So let me explain that with my example itself on my other channel, which is EcomGan. So here I have opened one of my latest video. So if you see in my description, I basically have 3 simple links, right? Other than that, I don't have any links. That is what I recommend also. So you don't want to confuse your audience, right? Here I have one link for my agency service, which is basically a high ticket digital product, and then comes a free ebook, product research tool of mine, and one consultation call, right? Now this is the link which is my main funnel. So here in my video, basically I give call to action for this link itself, or else sometimes even I give call to action for free ebook where we collect leads and follow up with them. But again, if you are getting started, so this you will be having only one link, which is for your high ticket digital product, right? So let me explain you from this example itself. So if you see my landing page, you can notice I have given couple of steps, right? Again, since it is a high ticket digital product, even we are looking for a right client so that we can work with and we can give them a better results, right? Of course, this particular digital product is for those who want to start their e-commerce business, Amazon FBA business. So here again, first I have given step 1, which is to watch that video where they can get to know about myself and what our basically program is about. And then, so this is what we have given. We have not given any payment link, something like that, so that they can enroll on the landing page itself, which is unlikely, right? If you are selling a high ticket digital product, no one just visit your website and purchase right on the website itself. So they need more information, which is what I have done here. Discovery call. So this can be done easily with Calendly. There are plenty of tutorial videos on YouTube when it comes to Calendly. So here I have given them the available date and time so that they can schedule a call directly with me or else my team, where they will get a 30-minute discovery call on this particular high ticket digital product, where we will explain them and we will expect to convert them in that particular meeting itself. So if we click on any particular date and time, so these are the questions that we ask. So we have included many questions, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like almost 6 questions we have included, including their name, email, mobile, and we have asked them whether they are beginner or existing sellers, how much monthly income they have, how much investment they have. So this what basically do is it filter out the beginners, it filter out people who are not interested. And here importantly, I have even asked from how long they are actually following my YouTube channel, right? See, when a person watch most of your videos, right, there is this 7-hour rule. When a person actually watch your content for more than 7 hours, the chances are more that they basically take your digital product, especially when it comes to high ticket. So which is what we expect, and we have clearly told this is not a coaching call. Again, this will be a discovery call regarding our high ticket digital product. Obviously, the prospect, the lead that we get from this Calendly system, the booking system, so it will be very high quality. So what we do is, in the call itself, we will tell them we don't do follow-ups, and this will be the call where they have to make a decision whether to go with our digital product or not. And we will basically give them immense value on that particular call itself, so that they can make a decision whether to work with us or not. So it's as simple as that, and this is how your funnel should be, especially when you're getting started. And again, like I had showed earlier, we have other system as well, right, to follow up. We give them free ebook or else product research tool with a couple of searches, so that we can collect the lead, and again our sales team can follow up with them. But again, when you are getting started, you will not be having that kind of team, right? So this landing page what I showed here, so this type of funnel is what you have to go with for your high ticket digital product, where you will be personally in a Zoom meet, attend your leads and explain them about your service, and then convert them on that particular meet itself, so that you can decrease your time in follow-ups with leads. And also, like I have mentioned plenty of times, in this era where every single person is skeptical, and this is the best way to convert, where you can build a trust, especially when a person who have watched you on YouTube get to talk with you directly on a Zoom meet itself. So you can build that trust, you can build that credibility and authority, so the chances will be more where you convert that particular lead. So these are the 3 systems which you need to make growth from your small micro YouTube channel. But this is just a one part of building your strong personal brand. But the important part itself is content itself, where you have to upload consistently videos on your YouTube channel, so that you can bring your ideal audience, ideal consumers for your channel, which is what I have explained in this particular video, where I have explained how to make viral videos 10x faster. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, stay focused.